Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram photo story blur problem on iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to when they upload photos as a story on the Instagram that time Instagram photo story blur problems. These problems show on iPhone as well as Android users. When they open the Instagrams and now tap on the story, in the story now select the anyone photos. Now you can see also this type photo blur problem on Instagram story. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. Before the starting video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android. Now the first one solution is clear data and clear cache on the Instagrams. Now first of all find out the Instagram applications. Now press and hold. After second last option is app information. In the app informations you can see also first option is storage uses. Now the wait for the calculation of the Instagram storage. After you can see also clear data and clear cache options available. Now please make sure tap on it and both done on Instagrams. Now the second solution is most important. The solution is uninstall the Instagram applications and reinstall again. Now first of all find out the Instagram applications, press and hold. After you can see also last option is uninstall. Uninstall the Instagram. After you can see also wait for the sometimes open the Play Store in the Android device and also App Store in the iPhone. Now the download install the Instagram applications on iPhone and Android device. Sometimes lot of users to say both solutions apply on the Instagram but still cannot be work on iPhone and Android device. Now the third one solution is get the old versions of the Instagram on iPhone and Android device. Now this question is what to do. First of all open the any browser. Open the browsers. After you can see also this website link I give you on my descriptions box. So guys please make sure copy and paste. Now just go down and find out the 21st February 2022 version is stable versions. Now please make sure tap on it and download install these versions of the Instagram in your iPhone and Android device. These three solutions too you can easily fix your problems on the Instagram photo story blur problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.